Hello friends, thanks so much for being here. Today I'm super excited because I got my LashyBox and I wanted to go through it and open my little presents with you guys, and then we'll of course do a try on with everything in the box so we can test it out and you guys can see if it's worth it. For those of you that are new here, my name is Shyla and this is LaLa Land. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also check that notification bell so YouTube lets you know every time I upload a video. And let's just go ahead and get into it. Okay, so I have not opened this yet, so I am going to be as surprised as you guys. I like to do that with you, so we both are going through this and all of that together. I've like kind of seen little images as I was scrolling on Instagram and Facebook with spoilers. I try to avoid them at all costs, but I kind of have. I think I saw something, but it may have been for a different box. I don't know. I've just been scrolling past it. Okay, so my LashyBox, I get the XL box. I pay $24.99 a month, and I get 5 lashes plus several makeup supplies. Oh my gosh, it's already pretty. Okay, so first we have the makeup eraser. Ooh, okay. Let's see, the makeup eraser erase all makeup with just water. So what is that, a little rag thing? This is the packaging I got. Sorry. Okay. Oh, it's just a cute little guy. I have one that's, ooh, look how, it's kind of fluffy. I have one that's actually pretty big, but this is cute for just like maybe just your eyes or something, but a makeup eraser, perfect. I love that. And let's see. Oh, looks like we got some lash glue. They always send lash glue. And this, it's black. I've never seen black. I always get it in clear. Okay, and this is Ultra Precision Eyeliner in color black, 500 black. And what is that? I'm not sure about the name, but I'll show you guys the package. And it just kind of wraps around the side there. Okay. And in case you guys can't tell, I did get a new camera, so I'm pretty excited about that as well. Okay, and then this one is, it's Dirty Little Secret Cosmetics. It's a lip oil duo. Ooh, nice. I don't even have anything on my lips right now, so we'll go ahead and test these out. That is what the little package looks like. I love little lip prints, you know? They're in flavors or scents, oil, or I'm sorry, orange and cherry. This is the orange. And then this would be the cherry. I'm gonna go ahead and smell them. Oh, that smells really good. That's what the applicator looks like. So that's the cherry. And that, oh no, that's a cherry again. Ooh, and that's the orange. I'm gonna try the orange. Let's try it right now. It's kind of thick, but it's not sticky. And it smells good, but it doesn't taste like anything. Okay, and then next we have, it looks like a little palette. Ooh, this is so pretty, and it's green because it's March. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm going to do a little St. Patrick's Day look, obviously. This is Beauty Creations Dare to Be Bright Bougie. Look how pretty that is. I hope that's not too glary for you guys. Oh, so pretty. And then, looks like another type of palette. Oh my gosh. All Eyes on Me brush set by Molly Jacob. Let's take a look. Okay, so I've got the rest of my face on so we can try out the products, but I kind of went through what I just filmed and it did not film the lashes that I went through for you guys. So I'm going to go ahead and go through that with you again, and I'll try to pay attention to make sure it continues to film. So for the 5 full, or I'm sorry, well, of course you don't get just one lash, 5 sets that I got. The first one from LashyBox is Sprinkles. And then Lucky. And then Bali. And then from Loa, I think it's shoploa.com is the website. Let me see. At shoploa. Okay, wanderlustbeauty.com. This is in style That's On Period. Cutest little packaging. And that's the name. And then we have Get Rich or Cry Trying. And that is Patrick. But those lashes are gorgeous. Okay, so I'm sorry that didn't record before, but I'm glad I caught it. So those are the lashes. I'll try on one of the pairs, and then but that's what all 5 look like. But right now I'm going to try out the eyeshadow palette. Again, we got the Beauty Creations Dare to Be Bright, and then in the bottom corner it says Bougie. Beautiful green shades. And since it's March, I think it would be kind of silly not to do a St. Patrick's Day look, so I'll go ahead and try to throw that together for us. Green and gold, right? St. Patrick's Day, leprechauns. All right. Okay. So, oh, and then with the little, I will go ahead and use the little brush set that they sent as well. But they sent a little 4-pack brush set. So that's what, the past 2 boxes I've gotten brushes. That's pretty cool. Can't ever have too many brushes. Okay, so I will take the white synthetic, and I'm going to go in with this lighter green. They didn't have names for the shades. It was just numbered 1 through 12. So maybe it's because the brushes are new and I did not spot clean them at all. But that is kind of hard to blend out. So I am going to get just kind of a bigger fluffy brush and blend that out a little bit better. Yeah, that's looking a lot better. Sometimes new brushes, they need to be washed before you can use them, which honestly is more sanitary, so sorry if I'm gross. Smaller of a round brush, but still fluffy. I'm gonna kind of deepen up that crease with the deepest green in the palette. So kind of just the outer edge. I'm just gonna pack the color on and then I'll blend it out. Okay, so I'm still needing to figure out my camera, you guys. I'm sorry. It didn't record some of what I just did, so I just deepened up the crease with the deepest green, and then I used a little bit of yellow to give it a gradient. Let me zoom you guys back in. I'm so sorry. I'm going to try to pay better attention. Okay. All right. So quickly, before everything starts falling apart again, I just did, again, the yellow to the brows just to give a little bit more of a gradient. And I think I'm going to go in with this glittery gold shade and put that on the lids. So I just take, oh, that feels so soft and creamy. My gosh. It's almost wet feeling. I'm just going to take this and put it right on my eyelids. I'm gonna bring that into the inner corner a little bit just because that gold glitter is super pretty. Again, it's just that gold glitter. I hope this is translating on the camera how beautiful and glittery this is. I hope that's coming through to you guys, because this is like, it almost feels wet. I can't describe it any other way but that. Okay, and then just to finish off the lower lashes, I'll use the angled brush from what was sent to me and go in with that deepest green shade. Just kind of line the lower lash right there. And then I'll use a round brush from that same set that was sent to me. Just trying to give them a chance. Take that lighter green and I will use that to just kind of blend out that solid line. Holy fallout. Let me just get rid of that. And then, okay, we're still recording. Okay, I'm gonna take a little bit of the yellow and then blend that in as well, but a little bit closer to the inner corner. Okay, now I will go ahead and we have that liner, the waterproof liner, so let's just go ahead and use it. I'll just do a line on top and then a line up with the water line as well. It's pretty pigmented. Okay, and then I'm just gonna draw a quick line across the top and then we will apply some lashes. Give me 1 second. And you should not stretch your face like I'm doing. It's really bad, gives you wrinkles. So do as I say, not as I do. Okay, so that stopped recording, but I saw it. I don't know what's going on. I'm so sorry, you guys, but the eyeliner is very pigmented. I just drew on some of my I just got some new mascara from Essence. Give me 1 quick second. I'm gonna throw that on and then I think that's about it, and then we can get the lashes on. Okay, so that's mascara. I think I'm actually gonna go in with the shade, sorry, I keep saying shade, but lashes aren't shades, they're styles. In style Bali. I just think that's so pretty. So give me 1 second, I'm gonna trim them and then I will show you guys how I put my lashes on. There are several different ways to do lashes, but I have come to really like doing it the way I'm gonna show you guys. Give me 1 quick second. I'm just gonna get these trimmed. And you want to make sure you trim your lashes because if you don't, they're most likely going to be really uncomfortable for you. They're going to be bothering your eyes. Not all lashes come one size fits all. Everybody's eyes and face is different. So they're normally made bigger than the average eye so people can size it up. I love the Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive. And it is a brush tip applicator. You can see that. So what I like to do is I like to take the glue and go do a line across my lash line as if it was the eyeliner. That way, when you're putting the lash on, you're just setting it right on the glue. So if you kind of miss a little bit and you're not right on the lash line and there's a space, which looks very unnatural, you don't want that. So you can easily just like, okay, place it lower. But if that glue was already on it, you'd have glue up above where you want the lash instead of down below. So it's just kind of less messy this way. Okay, so it stopped recording again, but here we go. That's Bali one eye. So second eye. Again, you're just lining it as if you're lining with liner. Kind of form the lash to your eye. Again, tilt back and apply right on that line of glue. Where? I lost my tweezers. Okay, and these are the lashes in style Bali. And I love them. These are not too heavy on the eyes. The bands that LashyBox uses are amazing. And then again, the bands that are normally set in their box, they seem to be pretty similar to what LashyBox has going on. So it's not too heavy. It doesn't really irritate the eye. As long as it's sized correct to your eye, then it won't be so irritating. The other thing that came in the box was the lip oils. Where did I put those? I'm sad. Okay. The lip oils. Again, it is a thicker thing, but it's not to where it's like a sticky gloss. Like, it feels pretty awesome. So these, I really do like the Dirty Little Secret duos. But yeah, this is a look I was able to come up with my LashyBox for March. I hope you guys did like today's video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and then of course ding that notification bell so YouTube lets you know every time I upload a video. But yeah, thank you guys so much. I really appreciate you being here. Happy Women's International Day. I don't know if I'll get this up today, but today is March 8th, so happy Women's International Day, and I'll be seeing you guys soon. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.